Most people believe that if they could just earn more money, all of their financial problems would disappear. A higher salary, a better job, a bigger paycheck. And while earning more money certainly helps, it does not guarantee wealth. In fact, many people with high salaries still live paycheck to paycheck. They earn more than most people, yet they still feel financially stressed. Still in debt. Still trapped. So why does this happen? Because a high salary does not make you rich. And if you do not understand why, you can spend your entire life earning more without ever building wealth. Reason 1. Income is not the same as wealth. The first mistake most people make is confusing income with wealth. Income is the money you earn. Wealth is the money you keep. Someone earning a modest salary but consistently saving and investing may become far wealthier than someone earning a very high salary but spending all of it. Because wealth is not built by how much money comes in. It is built by how much money stays. Reason 2. Lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest reasons high earners stay broke is because their lifestyle grows as fast as their salary. The moment they earn more money, they spend more money. A bigger house, a newer car, more expensive vacations, luxury clothes. At first, this feels like success, but often, it simply creates a more expensive life. A person earning $10,000 a month can still live paycheck to paycheck if they spend $10,000 a month. The problem is not the salary. The problem is that every raise becomes a reason to increase spending. Reason 3. High earners often buy liabilities, not assets. Many people with high salaries spend most of their money on things that lose value. Cars, gadgets, expensive furniture. Things that look impressive but do not make money. These are called liabilities. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. Wealthy people do something different. They use extra income to buy assets, investments, businesses, real estate. Assets put money into your pocket, and over time, they grow. Reason 4. They depend on one source of income. A high salary still depends on one thing, your job. And if your job disappears, the income disappears too. That is why many high earners are still financially vulnerable, because they built a lifestyle around a salary instead of building other sources of income. The people who become wealthy use their salary to create more income streams. Investments, a side business, assets. That way, even if one source disappears, they still have others. Reason 5. They never learn how money works. Many people spend years learning how to earn money, but very few spend time learning how to keep and grow money. Schools teach people how to get jobs, but they rarely teach how to invest, how to build wealth, how to make money work for you. As a result, many people earn more money every year, but continue making the same financial mistakes. Without financial knowledge, even a high salary can disappear quickly. The difference between rich and high income. A person with a high salary may look rich, but looking rich and being rich are not the same thing. Being rich means having freedom, savings, assets, the ability to live without depending completely on every paycheck. Many people have a high income but very little wealth, and many truly wealthy people do not look rich at all, because they spend less than they earn and quietly build assets over time. What actually makes you rich? If you want to become rich, do not focus only on earning more. Focus on what you do with the money you already have. Spend less than you earn. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Build assets. Invest consistently. Create more than one source of income. Because a high salary can help, but only if you use it to build wealth instead of just building a more expensive life. A high salary can make life easier, but by itself, it will never make you rich. Because wealth is not about how much money passes through your hands. It is about how much money stays, grows, and continues working for you. And the people who understand that are the ones who eventually achieve financial freedom.